While the name of this deep blue gemstone might seem uninspiring, its rich color and fascinating patterns of white calcite are undeniably attractive. Sodalite occurs in igneous rocks that crystallized from sodium-rich magmas. This is the origin of the rather unimaginative name sodalite. Blue is a rare color for rocks and minerals, and sodalite is one of the only vivid blue materials that is still sold at a reasonable price. Because of its color, sodalite can often be confused with lapis lazuli. Although similar to lazurite and lapis lazuli, sodalite rarely contains pyrite, a common inclusion in lapis. Its color is usually a royal blue, and it is further distinguished from similar minerals by the characteristic white veining. While blue is the most common color of sodalite, this stone can also be found in gray, green, yellow, light red, and lavender varieties. Sodalite fluoresces orange under ultraviolet light, except for the purple variety, hackmanite. This variety becomes deeper and richer in color after UV exposure, a phenomenon known as tenebrescence. First discovered by Europeans in 1811 in the Ilmisak intrusive complex in Greenland, sodalite did not become important as an ornamental stone until 1891, when vast deposits of fine material were discovered in Ontario, Canada. Sodalite deposits are also found in Afghanistan, Brazil, Greenland, Canada, as well as in Maine and Arkansas in the United States. Its most well-known source was named Princess Sodalite Mine in 1901. The Princess of Wales was gifted with sodalite and instantly captivated by it. She would make arrangements to quarry enough of the stone to decorate her London residence with it. In 1906, 130 tons of sodalite were shipped to England to be used as decorative stone in the princess's royal home. Since then, sodalite has become commonly known as Princess Blue. Other names for sodalite are bluestone, Canadian bluestone, Canadian lapis, poor man's lapis, and glauconite. People have widely used sodalite as an ornamental gemstone because of its deep royal blue color. Resembling foaming waves in the ocean, sodalite pairs with silver-toned metals, yet contrasts beautifully with gold. Use it in a medley of related colors such as blues, violets, and grays, featuring silver or gray moonstone, dumortierite, and blue lace agate. For a splash of drama, accent sodalite's cool blue tones with complementary colors of warm copper, fiery orange carnelian, and scintillating sunstone. While sodalite is a durable stone, it is not a hard one. A limitation on sodalite's use in jewelry is its hardness of only 5.5 to 6 on the Mohs scale. At that hardness, it will quickly scratch if used in a ring or anklet or bracelet. Therefore, it is best used in earrings, pins, pendants, and other items that will not subject the stone to impact or abrasion. Sodalite is also sensitive to pressure, high temperatures, and household cleaners. Avoid exposing sodalite to bleaches or sulfuric acid. Clean the stone with warm, soapy water and a soft cotton cloth. Sodalite is a beautiful stone that is available at prices that are accessible for almost anyone. You can find sodalite cabochons, beads, and other jewelry-making components at Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. So come take a look and get started creating something beautiful.